welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, my name is Jenny. You're welcome. So today I'm going to show you guys this really quick back to school makeup tutorial / everything makeup tutorial. Yeah, and so before we get right into the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you can get anything I post a new video, because I post videos every single week. Yeah, follow me on all my social media platforms like Connect with Friends. Yeah. Let's get right into the video.
So I'm using the Classic Mattifying Liquid Foundation. And I'm using a foundation brush. And I'm just going to be using the Dark Beauty Blender to just blend everything into my skin. And then I'm going with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. And I'm blending that with the Damp Beauty Blender. Then to set everywhere, I'm using the Banana Luxury Powder. And you guys know I don't bake, I just press the powder into my skin. For contour, I'm using the Absolute New York bronzer. Then to set everywhere else on my face, I'm using the Tala pressed powder. And I'm just dusting any excess powder off my face. For blush, the Sleek Makeup Blush. I'm just adding a little blush to my eyelid. Nothing serious. Then I'm using the my banana powder for contour contour. Contour just makes you look snatched. I'm just dusting that off. Then I'm using the Revolution highlighter. I'm adding some to my brow bones. I'm using my fingers to tap some of the highlighter to the bridge of my nose, and I'm using for the inner corners of my eyes. Let's make my eyes open and pop. And I'm using this Absolute lip gloss. Yeah. I'm using the classic Mist and Fix setting spray. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button, like, share and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.